Assalamu alaikum viewers, with me, मेरा college, your host Muhammad Usman. Viewers, I was very busy for a long time due to computer's Windows update. I removed Windows 7 and installed Windows 10, and it took a long time to buy and install new versions of softwares. That's why I could not create a new tutorial. So here is a new tutorial for you today. It's about noise cancelling. Now you can remove all kind of noise from your mic. It can be used for any type of live calling app, and it's very suitable for gamers. And it's not a crack version. This is a fully registered version, which is being given free by the company. Now let me tell you how to download and use it. First, open here Google and type Crisp. Now click on this website crisp.ai. And if you don't see here any option to download or purchasing, go to bottom here and click on download app. And here you can select your PC and click on it for download. And I already downloaded, so go to downloaded file and just install it. I already installed and I close it. After installation, check here and icon will be appear here. Just click on it, and at the first time it's required to log in with your Google account. After login, select here your mic and click on noise remove, and you can also remove noise from your speakers that incoming audio calls. So now I will show you how it works. So I disable this option, noise remove, and you can listen noise. Okay, now you can listen noise here, and I turn on my room fan. Now I enable this remove noise option, and now you can see how it's work. So thanks for watching, and subscribe my YouTube channel.